Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. We are now at the Doc Verify, where you can instantly verify the authenticity of your documents. To go here, you can click on Verify on the Solutions panel. Doc Verify minimizes errors in validating your document from fraud by scanning them for any possible alterations or tampering. Once you upload the document on DOCONCHAIN, the blockchain technology encrypts it, which makes it hack-proof and protected. Hence, this technology can also detect if there is an element that is either added or omitted from your document. On the dashboard of the Doc Verify, you can see all the files that you have uploaded or verified on our platform. You can also sort this out using the tabs above for all files, verified, not verified, and trash. Here are the different ways to verify your document. First is by clicking on the Upload button and uploading from your local files or from your cloud storage. You may also drop your document on the Doc Verify. Once the document is uploaded, you can see it at the first line of your files. You can open it through the Action button here, and once the verification status is verified, it means that your document has not been tampered or altered. Otherwise, if there is any tampering or alterations or omissions on your document, the verification status will appear as not verified. You may also check the authenticity of your file through the QR code on your document or by copying the document code from the passport and pasting it on the tab here. This, however, only shows the original file, which you can use to manually check if there's any difference with the file that you're handling. This also means that you need to upload the actual document that you think is tampered or altered on the Doc Verify in order to confirm. That's it for the Doc Verify. See you at the next video. Thank you.